Good morning students. I hope you are watching the video and doing your assignment. In the last class, a test was being conducted and it was very good to see almost everyone's active participation. And the marks scored by you was also worth appreciating. Keep it up. Now moving towards today's topic. So today we will be studying about the experiment. Already we did 3 experiment. Now fourth experiment we will do, that is the study of sclerenchymatous tissue. So before we start the practical, let's recall our memory. So permanent tissue is of two types, that is simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue already we have done. Simple permanent tissue means the tissues which are made up of similar cells. So here the tissues which are made up of similar cells, or we can say the cells which are similar in structure, origin and function, are known as the simple permanent tissue. It is of three types, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma already we have done. Now next topic that is in your practical is sclerenchyma, that we have to study today. So sclerenchyma already we have studied. So see the diagram already I did in the video. See here the deposition of lignin is there at the corner. So this lumen become very small and this is the dead tissue. And so it is present in the husk of coconut, the covering of nuts. So main characteristic that you will see here, that the lumen is very small due to the deposition of lignin. So today we will do sclerenchymatous tissue, or we can say we will study the sclerenchymatous tissue. Materials required: prepared slide of plant tissue, sclerenchymatous tissue and a compound microscope. Procedure: arrange the permanent tissue under the compound microscope and observe it carefully. Now observation. It is a dead mechanical tissue. Already we have done that it is a dead mechanical tissue. Wall thickening is uniform. Wall thickening is generally due to the lignin. Lignin is a cementing substance that make it hard. Lumen or cell cavity is very narrow because of the deposition of lignin. It provides the hardness to the plant cell and it provides mechanical strength for facing the various stress. Now inference. So as the lumen is very narrow due to the deposition of the lignin, we can say this is the sclerenchymatous tissue. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, but the deposition of lignin is there, that is the cementing substance that make it hard. That is the reason it is present in the husk of coconut or on the covering of the nuts, etc. And the main thing is that it contains the dead cell. So among parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, parenchyma and collenchyma contain the living cells, whereas the sclerenchyma contain the dead cells. So that's all for today. So you write this in your practical copy. Already in the last video I have described the type of practical copy. One thing I tell you, many of you are asking the question through the campus care that you are not getting due to the lockdown this copy. So if it is easily available, then do it in that copy. Otherwise do in rough copy, or whenever the lockdown will be over, you will be getting the copy, then complete it in the copy. And for the question that whether this you are doing for the practical project or for the subject enrichment, it is not a project, but for the subject enrichment you are getting the copy marks on the basis of this. Thank you. If you have any doubt, ask through the campus care. Thank you.